broken toilet flush handle. It's just chrome plated plastic. Remove the screw here. Slide this out, then you can change this. Just unscrew this plastic. There's a safety pin here. Just remove this pin. Just clamp it down. Okay, the whole set of things is out. This is a metal handle instead of a chrome plastic. Same system. There's a screw there, the safety pin. Just fit it as how we took it off. Cannot use this stopper. Because the thread is too short. See, didn't use this, you can fit nicely. Now you can just flush later. This is aesthetically, it doesn't look so nice. Just fit through this plastic to the metal here, and then just fit through here. And the screw is at the bottom, and just screw it back. Okay, finally slide in the safety pin here so that this handle can testing. Yes, it's working.